Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hey everyone, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of interior design as we do every day. But today is going to be a little different. We are going to focus on the styles that have captured the minds and hearts of millennials. I'm Stina, and in this video, we are going to explore the fabulous fusion of Scandinavian, mid-century modern, contemporary, and boho styles. Now, whether you are a design enthusiast, someone that just watches my video daily because you like it, whether you are a millennial trying to get some fresh ideas to spruce up your space, or whether you are a person that's not a millennial that's just trying to get some ideas of how to stage your home. If you are planning to sell to millennials, you're in for a treat. So settle down, grab a cup of tea, of coffee, and let's dive in. So something we are going to talk about is what I touched on previously. Millennials right now are loving Scandinavian fusion, mid-century modern, contemporary, and boho styles. Now, it can be the standalone style or any fusion of these four. Something about this millennials are flocking to right now. So first up, imagine having a really chic mid-century modern room. Now let's kick it up a notch by sprinkling in some boho goodness. Picture clean lines, retro furniture, and then bam, throw in some vibrant textiles, some plants, and just really eclectic accessories that are a perfect blend of that mid-century sophistication and free-spirited boho charm. Now, if you're more into the simplicity of Scandinavian design, here is a little tip for you. Refresh it and warm it up with just a touch of boho. Add some woven textures, earthy tones, and perhaps just a macrame wall hanging. It's like giving your Scandi room a cozy, eclectic hug without losing its clean and minimalist essence. So now let's chat just a moment about the dynamic duo, at least in a lot of people's opinions. Mid-century modern and Nordic decor. Picture the sleek lines of mid-century furniture coexisting with the muted and neutral color palettes and the natural materials of Nordic design. It's like a design love story, if you will. Okay, that was kind of cheesy, but it does create a space that is both functional and inviting. But now let's chat about contemporary style for just a bit. It's a beauty on its own. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, but guess what? You can accentuate its beauty even more by incorporating elements from other styles. Some people don't like contemporary styles for this fact. They think it's very straightforward and you have to go with it. But almost any home decor style you choose, you can turn it into a fusion and add two home decor styles together to really create your own. Back to contemporary style. Maybe add a touch of mid-century modern with a statement chair, or introduce some boho patterns throughout with throw pillows, or even a throw blanket. The beauty of contemporary design lies in its ability to adapt. So, before you embark on your design journey, let's talk about some really practical tips to start with. First, choose a dominant style as your base. Are you going contemporary? Are you going Scandi? Are you doing a fusion? Maybe some mid-century modern? What are you doing? Then layer in elements from the secondary style, if you are going fusion, to create that really perfect harmony. Experiment with colors, textures, patterns, but remember, in some of these styles, less is often more. The most important thing that I can say is to truly let your personality shine through in your decor. Make it uniquely yours. To truly grasp the magic of blending styles, just really focus in on some of the images that I am showing you. They are real life examples. Now, you don't have to recreate or copy the room, piece by piece, but maybe the sofa inspires you. Maybe it's the color palette. Maybe it's the fusion of design styles. You can always grasp an idea or a vibe from a certain room and then use it to provide inspiration for your own home. Before we continue, don't forget to leave some comments or any questions that you have down below in the comments section. I love hearing your thoughts. I love hearing your suggestions, so definitely keep them coming. It just really fills me with joy. Now, if you have any other questions or you want to share your own design experiences, you can leave those in the comments section as well, or message me on Instagram or Facebook. So as we begin to really wrap up this deep dive into millennial style, what they like and what they want to see when purchasing a home, I hope you feel inspired and equipped to really transform your living space. Whether you are a millennial, whether you plan on targeting and selling your home to a millennial, or if you're just a person watching a YouTube video and saying, hey, I kind of like that style and I would like to recreate it, this video is for you. Don't forget, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor and design content, and share your thoughts in the comments and this video with friends. I know we talk a lot about home decor and design styles and what's new and what's trendy and what's hot and what just looks really luxurious. So as I wrap up, let me share this. I share beautiful dream homes and luxurious interiors all the time on my channel. And of course, you can use it as inspiration for the space that you are in now. But please don't ever compare your current situation to what I'm showing. At the end of the day, this is just a YouTube video. Your real life is your real life. And I don't ever want something that you see on the internet to make you feel less than. It's important to show a certain level of gratitude for where we are and for what we have achieved so far in our lives. Until next time, happy decorating, and remember, your space, your style. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.